Today I'm going to show you one brow product. I'm going to show you the Browlast by Physicians Formula, and we're going to see if it works, how long it stays on, and I hope you enjoy. Very messy. That's why I say maybe use a separate brush, but I'm just going to clean this off. Alright, see my eyebrows? When they're all peeling from retin-A. So I'm going to do both with this, and then I'll do the other eyebrows with this product. As long as it's not too dark, then I could really dig in there and turn it sideways and fill it in without worrying that there are going to be grouchy marks. I have to tell you about this lipstick. Oh my god, the Matte Inks by Maybelline. I'm in love. They would stay on for 2 or 3 days if you didn't remove it. And maybe by the end of the day you need to put a gloss over it, but they are amazing. And the colors, the nudes, oh my god, and the brights. Maybelline got it right. Okay, let's get the other side to match. I like twins. And I think you could get twins. You have to work at it. You gotta figure it out. Might be a little more work, but you can get it. Let's see. I hope you can see. That's better, right? Alright. See, this is the blonde, I believe. Don't mind my nails. I haven't had a chance to polish them. Here's my new phone case and strap. I love this iPhone watch. This Apple Watch. I may not be posting videos for a couple of weeks, but if you miss me, you could email me. I'm just going through a little crisis right now. Well, big crisis. And I will let you all know later what it is, but that's the way it is. It's a crisis in my life. And so if I don't comment on your videos, don't think I'm not watching, because YouTube is my TV. I go there to relax and enjoy. This is called Browlast, long wearing brow gel, and it is in light brown. Okay, let it set. You let it dry a little bit so it adheres, it sticks. Okay, the famous words that I tell you that I say all the time when it comes to lip gloss and lipstick and eyes. They've got to stick. Alright. So once I get the front of the eyebrow, this is 10 times, but I keep checking in the one time and try to make them even. Alright, they seem a little dark. But you could always powder them. Now I'm going to do the tail. Let's see, I'm going to go slightly, I take the bottom row and go slightly out, and then I'll take the top and let it meet at the end of the tail. And all along I'm just dipping and wiping. And I would turn this upside down while you're not using it and while this is out of it, so it doesn't dry out. So now I'm just going to try to match it. I always shave off my tail because it's too low and droopy. My tail's too low and droopy. I need to keep doing videos when I'm in a crisis because it makes me feel so good. You beauties out there that watch my videos and comment so I can talk to you. Now I'm going to see how long this lasts. If I can rub my face, if I sweat, will it come off? When I wash my face tonight, will it still be there unless I scrub it? I don't know. And I have to finish my eyes, my eyeshadow. Okay, I'm gonna fix my eyes because they look too red on camera. So I have my favorite Favors palette by Folklore. And this is an amazing. I use this for a crease, this for the lid, this for the lid, this for the outer corner, this for any of the shimmers. The shimmers are amazing. There's no fallout. It's $8.99. I have the link below. It's just my favorite. And this, of course, is my staple. And look, now I love this color, but it's so low, I'm going to this color. So that's what happens. I love this color, but now I'm going to this color. So if you just use it long enough, you get to use the whole palette. I just want to fix that redness because I don't want to walk around with it too red. So I'm going to take this color, which is Copper Rose and Toffee. Oof. So I'm going to take Copper Rose, which is a taupe. It's not a rose, it's not copper, it's just a taupe. I'm just going to go over. Okay, so I fixed my eyeshadows temporarily. I have to look at it inside of my vanity. I always keep a pencil on hand, the e.l.f. Now my new favorite, Total Temptations by Maybelline, or the top ever pencil, which is Brenda Christian's Universal Brow Definer. And what I do now is I just go over. Oh, do you like my mirror? I put letters on it. So I lift it up to get it firm, and then I go over the tail. But it's not going to move because it's got this other thing underneath it. So, see, it gets a little darker. It's a little easier to refine and zoom in. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to do another brow one. And I hope you subscribe and share my video, and I hope to see you again next week. If I'm not here, I will be back. I will be back. I'm not taking long off. I will be back. So I hope you have a wonderful week, and I hope to see you again so soon. I love you all.